Hello everyone, welcome back to Rupesh Science City YouTube channel. From today, I am going to do 30 days week 30 days challenge on English, saying what I have learned and how I understand. Today is day one of the task. Today I taught about simple present tense. Basically, subject, verb, and examples. For single subject, I, we have to use verb. Third from am not, verb plus rest of the sentence. If you use you, we, any plural noun, there, those, this. Let me show you the screen so that you will understand properly. If you use you, we, any plural noun, there, this, you have to use are not very verb form as of the sentence. You are not invited for the party. You is subject, are not, and in verb is invited, ed, rest of sentence to the party. If you use third person, he, she, it, any singular noun, this or that, you have to use is not plus verb 3 plus rest of the sentence. It is not designed for the kids. Using this after listening class and using this code sheet, I have scheduled for waterfall college assessment. I think you have enjoyed this video. Watch it and please like, share, and subscribe my channel. If, if you have any doubts or what sort of videos you want, comment it in the comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. Hoping for your subscription. Feel free to ask what sort of videos you want. I will do most of the useful stuff. Hoping for your reply. Thank you.